Okay, so you're watching this video, and before you start thinking that this is a scammy video in some sort of way, it really isn't. I was also shocked when I found out this way, which is why I'm teaching it with you, teaching it to you. But as you can see, I am not on Steam, and I promise you, I just haven't paid, and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so the first thing you want to actually do is go and download this app. It's called BlueStacks, and it is an amazing app. And before you start questioning whether it's safe or not, it is 100% safe. I've used it before, first-hand experience. Yeah, it's a really great app because it lets us or you play Among Us for free. Okay, so just open it up. It takes a second to load. And basically, I haven't actually explained what BlueStacks actually does. It's basically the App Store, the Apple App Store, the Play Store, um, on PC. So you can play all the, well, not all of them, but most Play Store games on the PC, and it's really handy. So now that you're on this home page, you want to go to the search bar over here and type up Among Us. Yeah, if I can actually spell it right. Okay, Among Us. Takes a second to load. I've already got it installed, but okay, sorry about that. The PC basically just broke. Um, but what you want to do is click on it. I've already installed it, and for some reason my screen recorder it just stops when going on a different application. But you want to click on it and then press install, and just like that, you'll be able to play it. Okay, so I've just clicked play. As I said, my recorder doesn't let me. It doesn't actually let me like change tab. But it takes a second to load. It's not the greatest quality. Which is if you are a game collector or something, you might want to buy the £5 version. But in a few seconds, it's on, and you can now play. You can now play the game. Enter your name like always. It's a bit weird if you see, like, this is the phone kind of thing, but let's just call ourselves enter. Find game, choose the same, choose anything, and guess what? You're in the game. You're in the game, you're playing Among Us, you can play with friends, and everything is like before, but it's free. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and hopefully now you can play with your friends on the PC. You can play it for free. And it's a really great way to play things with your friends. I don't know. If you like the video, then feel free to like, so the knowledge, you can say, gets passed around. And feel free to subscribe if you want more good content like this.